Today we're exploring one of the most breathtaking destinations in the United States, Lake Tahoe. Known for its stunning blue waters and picturesque mountain landscapes, this place is an absolute paradise for nature lovers. Take a fascinating journey into the region's rich history that provides a unique perspective on the challenges faced by the workers who built the first transcontinental railroad. These tunnels were constructed in the mid-19th century, providing a crucial link connecting the east and the west coast of the United States. Walking through these tunnels provides a tangible connection to the past, allowing you to experience firsthand the narrow passageways and dimly lit corridors that the railroad workers navigated during construction. Make sure to bring a flashlight to illuminate the darker sections of the tunnel and wear sturdy footwear suitable for walking on rocky terrain. As you journey through these tunnels, occasional openings provide glimpses of the breathtaking scenery surrounding Donner Summit. Pause to admire the panoramic views of the Sierra Nevada mountains, alpine forests, and perhaps catch a glimpse of Donner Lake shimmering in the distance.
What's wrong? Your hand's cold? Your hand cold?
Here you go, can you hold this? Can you hold this? Oh.
Located on the shores of Emerald Bay and Lake Tahoe, Vikingsholm holds a fascinating history that combines the elegance of Scandinavian architecture with the charm of its natural surroundings. The castle's location among Emerald Bay was carefully chosen for its natural beauty and serenity, offering panoramic views of Lake Tahoe's waters and surrounding mountains.
upkeep of the house, which has a pretty big to-do list going on right now, especially after the winter we just had. But an ongoing project is all the woodwork right here. They're restoring it. It started to look alike above the windows, very weathered. So they're putting it back to the original. Now I'm going to start the tour giving you a little bit of background information before we go inside. Mostly on the woman who built the home. Actually, Vikingsholm is really her story. Wonderful woman. Her name was Laura Knight. So we're going to go inside. I'm going to stop in the living room for just a little bit. I'm going to finish up in the courtyard, and then we're going to open up the doors and you get to walk around and look at everything all on your own. So welcome to Vikingsholm. Come on inside.
Inspired by her travels to Sweden, Norway, and Denmark, Knight commissioned Vikingsholm as a summer retreat and a testament to her love for the region's design aesthetics. Knight spared no expense in constructing Vikingsholm, importing skilled Scandinavian craftsmen and utilizing authentic materials to ensure architectural authenticity. Featuring elements such as steep gabled roofs, intricate wood carvings, and hand-hewn timbers, its design reflects the traditional Scandinavian stave churches and medieval castles.
Okay, so we are coming down from the Lower Eagle Falls trail hike. It wasn't too bad. Sita, what do you think?
I liked it.
You liked it?
Uh-huh.
It was a little steep towards the top part, but it was right before the beautiful payoff of the waterfall. The lady said that this is the best the falls have been running in a number of years, so I guess the this past winter kind of really paid off for the summer. What did you think about the hike?
It was nice. I love seeing the waterfall. That was a big hooray.
It's time for a little bit of maintenance. As mentioned, we did have kind of a toilet leak, and I believe it is this water valve right here from Dometic. We're gonna try and get back here, and hopefully I have all the tools to make this work correctly. Hopefully it will stop, you know, kind of that slow drip leak. I believe it's maybe the O-ring that may have just worn out over time. The rig is about 3 years old. When I purchased this from Camping World the other day, the lady said that this was kind of a hot ticket item right now. I'm guessing maybe a lot of people that purchased during, you know, the pandemic or right before the pandemic, maybe a lot of these things are starting to go out. So maybe there's only about a 3-year shelf life. It is a little tricky to get to in here. It is back and underneath. Hopefully you can see. Here is the old valve. And actually what's happening, it's not a leak from the connection.
but it seems to be a leak from underneath out of this housing here. So again, I assume maybe it is the O-ring that has just kind of worn out over time. But we're going to try and get this off. We need to disconnect from here where I did the retrofitting for the tushy, the bidet, and then I need to disconnect this one here. We'll use like a flathead screwdriver to kind of push down these tabs, and then this whole assembly will come out. We'll reconnect the new valve and then hopefully put it back in. So the new water valve is in. Job wasn't too hard. I don't know if you can see a little bit better there. New connections, new water valve. Everything seems to be going pretty well, but of course time will tell. Make sure that I have this installed correctly. Didn't really see anything wrong with the old plunger. It is a little dirty. You know, nothing blocking the little screen filter or anything. Plunger seemed to work just fine. A little sticky, but you know, that's probably the cause right there. Is the little interior plunger. Either right there, the ring, or the ring that's up here. So I don't know. We'll see. But hopefully this new one will keep the water in and everything will work smoothly.
The Shirley Lake Mountain Trail offers a breathtaking journey through the rugged terrain and stunning landscapes of Squaw Valley.
It's about noon and we're starting off on the Shirley Lake Canyon Trail. Supposedly it's been snowing up at the top of the peak, so we've waited till the very end of our trip to give the snow a little bit of time to melt.
Fingers crossed.
I know. It's about a 5.8 mile hike, but once you get to the top, you can take the gondola down. It's about noon, so we're hoping to make it to the top before 4, and the last gondola comes down at 4:30.
The trail treats hikers to awe-inspiring views of the surrounding Sierra Nevada mountains, lush forests, and alpine meadows. As hikers ascend along the trail, they'll encounter several points of interest, including beautiful waterfalls, serene creeks,
Babe, are we bad parents?
I don't know. I don't think so.
We'll find out if we're down one kid by the time we get to the bottom.
Yeah. We asked the lady on the bottom and she said it was okay as long as she didn't pass the gondola, so we'll see.
Time will tell.
Whether you're seeking adventure, solitude, or simply a connection with nature, this trail promises an unforgettable journey through the heart of the Sierra Nevada mountains.
We made it about 2 miles up, but I think we're at the point where we're probably gonna turn around. Well, we are gonna turn around. You know, we got little ones, so we just wanna make sure that we're extra safe. We haven't been hiking in about 2 years.
And the rocks are pretty slick. I don't know if you could see them behind us. And our son is not wearing hiking shoes, so it's making this mama super nervous because he doesn't have a lot of tread, and there's clouds coming in, and if it starts, or if there's a weather notice of lightning, they'll shut down the tram, so then we're stuck up top going down in water. I don't think, yeah.
Yeah, it's probably not smart. Smarter to probably just turn back now. 2 miles down, we've been going for what, about an hour and a half?
Yeah.
But it's probably smartest, let's head back. That way we can get back if there is any bad weather. But guys, this is a gorgeous hike.
It is. It really is.
So beautiful, and we will come back and we will complete this thing so we can ride the tram down.
Yes.
The free tram down.
For free. Alexander?
I got, what was it? Chocolate brownie with the cone.
Was it good?
Yeah, it was a struggle to eat though, because my cone broke in half. So this is rough.
Alessandra, what'd you get?
I had a mountaintop mint chip, and I also had some of my mama's a chocolate brownie.
How was it?
That was good.
Were they both really good?
Yes.
What ice cream did you get?
I had the chocolate brownie and mint chocolate chip.
What would you rate it?
That was very good. You know what it was? It was the consistency, not just the overall taste, but it was very creamy. So
Oh yeah.
Chef
I'd give it
Daddy.
an 8.7.
Chef Daddy recording live.
Is that too specific?
It's a little specific.
Mine is 9.99.
Oh.
Mine was a 7.9.
Mine
I'm
was
just joking.
delicious.
Mine was a 10.
I had vanilla bean with brownie and chocolate syrup because I love hot and cold together, and I thought it was delicious.
It sure was warm to our heart, or cold to our heart.